Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss on post-project analysis. The post-project analysis process consists of activities performed by a project team or the external agency at the end of the project's life cycle to gather information on what worked well and what did not, so that future projects can be benefit from that learning. It aims to find the best practices and documenting lessons learned. Lessons learned can be determined especially while discussing the problematic areas and their reasons, or while developing improvement suggestions. By this way, lesson of the project will be transformed into explicit knowledge from tactic knowledge and can be used later on the future projects. Let's see project performance evaluation. During the post-project evaluation, the project is compared with its baseline plan and then its performance is examined against accepted success criteria. Project success is probably the most frequently discussed topic in the field of project management. Now let's see, most commonly a project can be considered successful if the outcomes are realized, project outputs are delivered on time and to the agreed quality, costs are within those budgeted, and the requirements of stakeholders are met. Now let's see the steps of the post-project analysis process. The steps of the post-project evaluation or analysis process differ between users according to the structures, but it is possible to generalize some main steps referring to different case studies. Step number 1, data collection. This is the step where data about the project to be evaluated are collected. These data provide input for the performance evaluation or analysis and learning in the next step. Second step is evaluation. This is the step where the project is analyzed against success criteria, risk and different applications. Thus, general picture of the project is taken for the future project's benefit. Third step, establishing lesson learned. In this step, different applications in the project and their advantages, disadvantages are examined after the analysis, and lesson for the future projects can be obtained from them. Especially, problem solution technique and their results are important learning areas. Fourth stage is verification. This is the step where data and analysis results, correctness and sufficiency are examined. This can be done before the analysis. Next stage is documentation. This is the step where analysis results are documented as case studies or reports. And the last is information dissemination. In this step, results and lesson learned are disseminated for the future use. A post-project analysis most important step is documentation, and as a part of that, report is most important for the future use of the organization. A sample report contains for the post-project analysis consists purpose and scope of the analysis, review of the system, project summaries where highlights of what happened in the projects are mentioned, the findings of the post-project analysis, in which specific findings related to the review, and last and most important is conclusions and recommendations of the post-project analysis. What organization getting benefited from post-project analysis? In that, first is it provides learning from past experience. Second, it is useful for examining the strategies fit of the project into the overall organizational strategy. It provides feedback to the project team about their own, and it also improves the performance from the post-project analysis. Thank you.